Tired of juggling data from a million different marketing platforms? Let's ditch the chaos and create crystal-clear marketing dashboards by connecting Funelio and Supermetrics to Looker Studio. First, ensure you have active accounts with Funelio, Supermetrics, and Looker Studio. Start in Looker Studio and create a new report or open an existing one. Click on Create in the top left corner and select Data Source. This is where the magic begins. In the connector list, search for Funelio and select it. Authorize Looker Studio to access your Funelio data by following the prompts, ensuring you choose the correct Funelio account. Now, repeat the process for Supermetrics. Search for Supermetrics in the connector list and select the specific Supermetrics connector relevant to your needs, such as Supermetrics for Google Ads or Supermetrics for Facebook ads. Authorize Looker Studio to access your Supermetrics account as well, granting the necessary permissions to pull your marketing data. Remember to choose the correct Supermetrics account. With both Funelio and Supermetrics connected, you can now blend data from various sources. Go to Resource, then Manage Blended Data and blend common metrics and dimensions between the two data sources to create a holistic view. Finally, create charts, graphs, and tables to visualize your data. Use Looker Studio's customization options to design a compelling dashboard that tracks your key marketing performance indicators, and there you have it: streamlined reporting with Funelio, Supermetrics, and Looker Studio.